Welcome to the Rhino table and bar base assembly instructions. When you open the box, it will contain the base, the spider, the column, the booker rod with a nut, 2 nuts and 2 washers. You will need a 17mm spanner, thread lock and a 17mm socket drill. Slide a washer on and apply thread lock to the end of the booker rod that has the nut. Place a nut on the same end so it is flush with the end of the booker rod. Flip it so the spider is face down and use the spanner to tighten the other nut, locking the spider in place. Grab the column. There is a cutout on either end and one is smaller than the other. This must be placed closest to the spider. Line up the cut on the column to the tab on the spider. Do the same to the other end by lining up the base's tab with the column cut out. Place the last washer on the end, apply thread lock, and use the socket drill to tighten the nut. And there you have it, the completed Rhino base.